Have you ever noticed something strange? In the United States, mechanics warn you to change your engine oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, or risk destroying your engine. But in Europe, the exact same cars, sometimes with the same engines, go 10,000 to 15,000 miles between oil changes without a problem. This is not a myth, and it's not marketing hype. It's a combination of driving habits, fuel quality, oil standards, engine design, and even how cars are regulated. Once you understand the real reasons behind this difference, you will realize why blindly following either rule can actually harm your engine instead of protecting it. In this video, we are going to uncover 11 reasons why oil change intervals in the US are every 5,000 miles, but 15,000 miles in Europe. Let's dive in. Reason number 11, driving conditions. American driving habits are brutal on engine oil. Short trips, constant stop-and-go traffic, long idle times, and cold starts dominate American driving. Studies by the US EPA show that engines need 15 to 20 minutes to fully reach optimal operating temperature, yet most US drivers shut their engines off long before that. When oil doesn't get hot enough, moisture, fuel vapors, and combustion acids remain trapped inside it. This causes oil to darken, thicken, and lose lubricating strength quickly. In Europe, a higher percentage of daily driving happens at highway speeds, where engines stay hot for long periods. That heat allows oil to evaporate contaminants naturally, extending its usable life. Reason number 10, testing standards. Oil change intervals are not guesses. They are validated through brutal long-term testing. And the testing standards used in Europe and the US are very different. European manufacturers rely heavily on ACEA long-drain testing, which includes extended high-load highway simulations, sustained high-temperature operation, and long-duration oil oxidation testing. Some ACEA tests simulate over 300 engine hours at extreme temperatures before oil is approved. In contrast, many US testing standards focus more on fuel economy, emissions compliance, and short-trip durability rather than extended oil life. Because European testing assumes long, steady driving at speed, oil is proven to survive much longer intervals. American testing assumes inconsistent driving behavior, cold starts, and idling, which naturally shortens safe oil change recommendations. Reason number 9, engine design. European manufacturers don't just rely on better oil. They build engines specifically to survive long oil change intervals. These engines often have larger oil capacities, advanced oil filtration systems, and oil pressure management designed for long service life. Many BMW, Mercedes, and Volkswagen engines hold 1 to 2 extra quarts of oil compared to similar US market engines. More oil means lower contamination concentration and slower breakdown. Additionally, European engines often use tighter piston ring tolerances and advanced crankcase ventilation systems that reduce fuel dilution. In contrast, many US engines prioritize compact packaging, fuel economy, and lower manufacturing costs, which reduces oil volume and filtration capacity. Without these long-interval design features, pushing oil to 15,000 miles becomes a gamble rather than an engineering decision. Reason number 8, fuel quality. Fuel quality has a direct and measurable impact on how long engine oil can safely last, and this is one of the biggest reasons Europe can run much longer oil change intervals. European fuel standards strictly limit sulfur content to 10 parts per million, which dramatically reduces acid formation during combustion. Less sulfur means fewer corrosive byproducts entering the oil through blow-by gases. According to SAE research, high sulfur levels can reduce oil additive life by 20 to 30%, even when the engine itself is healthy. In the US, gasoline contains higher ethanol blends, which increases fuel dilution, especially during cold starts and short trips. When fuel mixes with oil, it thins the oil, lowers viscosity, and weakens the protective film between engine components. European fuels burn cleaner and more consistently, allowing oil to retain its viscosity, detergents, and anti-wear additives for much longer periods. Reason number 7, the US oil change industry encourages shorter intervals. The American oil change industry generates over $20 billion annually, according to IBIS World Reports. Frequent oil changes mean repeat customers, faster turnover, and predictable revenue. For decades, the 3,000-mile rule was heavily promoted, even after modern oils made it obsolete. While dealerships now follow manufacturer guidelines more closely, quick lube shops often recommend 5,000 miles or less to protect themselves legally and financially. Europe does not have the same quick lube culture, and maintenance schedules are enforced primarily by manufacturers, not service chains. Reason number 6: environmental regulations. Europe's strict environmental regulations play a massive role in long oil change intervals. The European Environment Agency reports that waste engine oil is one of the most environmentally harmful automotive byproducts, if not properly managed. To reduce waste oil generation, European governments push manufacturers toward longer service intervals by regulation and taxation. Fewer oil changes mean lower carbon emissions from service operations, transportation, and oil production. Some EU policies estimate that extending oil intervals reduces waste oil volume by up to 40% over a vehicle's lifespan. In the US, environmental regulations focus more on emissions than maintenance waste, giving less incentive to reduce oil change frequency. As a result, Europe builds engines and oils to last longer, while the US accepts shorter intervals as normal. Reason number 5: European filter technology. Oil doesn't just wear out, it gets contaminated. That's where filter technology becomes critical, and Europe is far ahead in this area. European vehicles commonly use higher capacity oil filters with finer filtration media designed to trap microscopic particles without restricting oil flow. Many European OEM filters are rated to capture particles as small as 10 to 15 microns, compared to 20 to 30 microns for many standard US filters. According to filtration industry studies, removing smaller particles dramatically reduces abrasive wear inside engines. European filters are also designed to last the full extended oil change interval without clogging or going into bypass mode. In the US, cheaper aftermarket filters often reach their limit early, allowing unfiltered oil to circulate and accelerate oil degradation. Without advanced filtration, oil simply cannot survive 15,000 miles safely. Reason number 4: oil capacity sumps. Oil capacity plays a massive role in oil longevity, yet most drivers never think about it. Many European engines are designed with larger oil sumps, sometimes holding 20 to 30% more oil than similar US market engines. More oil means contaminants like fuel, soot, and acids are diluted over a larger volume. It also improves cooling because oil carries heat away from critical engine components. In contrast, many US engines are designed with smaller oil capacities to save weight, improve fuel economy, and reduce manufacturing costs. Less oil breaks down faster, forcing more frequent changes to maintain protection. Reason number 3: warranty rules and legal liability. In the United States, oil change intervals are shaped just as much by lawyers as by engineers. US automakers face extremely high legal and warranty exposure when engines fail, especially due to sludge, timing chain wear, or oil starvation. To protect themselves, manufacturers publish conservative oil change intervals that assume the worst-case driver behavior, such as short trips, missed maintenance, and incorrect filters. Shorter intervals dramatically reduce warranty claims and legal disputes. In Europe, warranty systems rely more on strict service compliance and manufacturer-approved oil documentation rather than mileage alone. European automakers can confidently recommend longer intervals because drivers must prove they followed exact oil specifications. In the US, where oil choice and maintenance habits vary wildly, shorter intervals become a safety net rather than a performance limit. Reason number 2: temperature differences. Temperature extremes are one of the hidden killers of engine oil, and they vary dramatically between the US and Europe. Many US regions, from Arizona's scorching deserts to Minnesota's frigid winters, force engines to operate under wide thermal swings. SAE research shows that every 18-degree Fahrenheit increase in operating temperature roughly doubles the oxidation rate of oil, accelerating additive depletion and viscosity loss. On the cold end, short trips and freezing temperatures prevent oil from reaching optimal operating temperatures, causing fuel and moisture contamination to remain trapped. But European climates are generally more moderate, which reduces the thermal stress on oil and allows extended intervals to be safe. In the US, these extremes shorten oil life, forcing more frequent changes to maintain engine protection. What actually you should do? The smartest approach isn't blindly following US habits or copying European intervals. It is matching your oil change schedule to how your engine actually lives. Next, be honest about your driving habits. If most of your trips are under 10 miles, you sit in traffic daily. Your oil is aging faster than the odometer shows. In those conditions, a 5,000 to 7,000 mile interval with high-quality oil is usually safer. If you primarily drive long highway miles at steady speeds, rarely idle, and your engine reaches full operating temperature regularly, you can safely extend oil changes, but only if you use true long-life oil. Finally, consider occasional used oil analysis if you want maximum precision. For under $40, Oil Labs can tell you exactly how much life your oil has left, and whether fuel dilution, metal wear, or contamination is occurring. That's all for this video. If this helped you understand why American oil changes are so frequent, subscribe to the channel, hit like, and comment below. How often do you actually change your oil? See you in the next video.